Finally back, son. Yo, it's been a long time, bro. You know, we got this epidemic going on, and I was telling them about the epidemic, bro, that's going on that we living in. You know,
I'm pretty sure they know. I don't gotta tell them.
new lifestyle. You gotta walk around with these now. Like, it's crazy. So I gotta be careful out there. Anyways, today back at the shop, as you can see, to install these. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm excited. I feel like a little kid, son. Now she gonna be sitting low, profiling and all that. I mean, look at her. Then she gotta go to the body shop. Then I'm gonna hit her with the, ooh, I ain't gonna touch speed yet, man. I don't wanna touch speed yet. I gotta wait for these guys, because it's gonna be boring. I'm gonna get the speed and not be able to match it up to nothing. I gotta wait. SRT Joe. Hemi Lifestyle. We waiting, bro. The people asking for y'all. So, fun fact. I did go with DC Racing coilovers. I got these from, what you call it? Fitment Industries. They come with a shirt and all the essentials. This beautiful looking thing. I needed this, because one thing about the RTs, the suspension sucks, bro. I'm riding way too high. I can't take corners. I gotta slow down, so hopefully this will help me out a little bit. Hold this. I ain't gonna do all this.
I ain't, there's a spring in there. Y'all know what it is.
Yeah. Oh, I wouldn't do it. You know, this is kind of an interesting journey that I'm about to embark on now. Because if you know about New York city streets, they suck. And, hold on, this train passing by. Not only that they suck, but speed bumps.
Yeah, motherfucker gonna lose a front bumper in this motherfucker.
Yeah, so I can't go zoom all the time, bro. Now I gotta go. It need cooling already. And my brother was just telling me I needed some.
Because it's hot, so it's a little up too, so probably need more than that.
Can't wait. So the fronts are in. Can't wait to see what that looks like. I'm gonna touch on all this. Y'all know I always gotta do this. Wimpy, wimpy, wimpy. Out with the old and in with the new. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see that diff? Bullet attack exhaust. You know, the whole work suspension going in right now, so it's about to be crazy, bro. Yeah, bro. What the fuck did I do? Hell yeah.
Nigga was tucking.
That shit definitely gonna have to get raised, bro. Alright, we gonna see, so. If this look wild. Alright, let's go down the list. We got the boiler attack. Got the death. Now we got the suspensions. I ain't gonna touch speed yet, though. This gotta go. I want to hear a little crack barrel on and pop. This right here. Comment below. Tell me what that is. Alright, it's time to get to it. I think I went with 1 inch in the front, 1.5 inches in the back. I'm gonna rock with it for a little bit. Let's see how I feel. But so far, the rod is soft. Oh my God. Let's get a little rear action. See how it sits from the rear. It just doesn't do it justice. Yo, son. Bro, son, nah. This is where it's at. Let me show y'all. Nah, son. Yo. She is sitting. Yo. I am hype. Who's that? That's a red eye?
Green.
Yo, son. Yo, bro, I'm so happy about the turnout. COILOVERS is definitely the way to go. Spend your money. It is what it is. I went to Fitment industry, so I made sure I got the correct thing. One shot. You already know. Whatever. Now it's on to the better things, man. But I can't wait, bro. So many things. But you know the situation that's going on, so we try to be careful while chasing our dreams or whatever. Sorry, I'm next up, Park. Alright, yo, bro, hold on. I gotta let y'all see this shit one more time, bro. This shit fire. Just look at how she sits. Now, y'all know rims eventually is gonna pull up. Gotta get rims for her. It's all about what am I gonna go with. We gonna see.